According to his reports, Apple's new iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max will feature a display design that's similar to the iPhone 11 and other all-screen iPhones that have come before it, but it'll feature flat metal edges instead of rounded ones like current iPhones. Imagine the iPhone 11 merged with an iPhone 5, and that should give you an idea of what to expect. Japanese-language Apple news blog Macotakara got its hands on 3 physical mock-ups that are believed to accurately represent the designs of Apple's upcoming new iPhone 12 models. That said, it's possible that the video is missing one. According to Kuo, Apple actually plans to launch 4 new iPhone 12 models this coming fall. There are 2 more important notes to keep in mind when watching this hands-on video. First, the bezels around the mocked-up display look massive, but that's because the space there accounts for the iPhone 12's actual bezel and the metal edges of the phones. Second, according to the leaked CAD files on which these dummies are based, it looks like we're in store for at least 1 more year of iPhones with a big notch at the top of their screens. Rumors had suggested Apple was trying to shrink down the components of the TrueDepth camera to fit in the bezel above the display, but the company apparently isn't yet ready to pull it off.